Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
Hey guys, welcome to G.M.Luxe Rentals, and today we have a Mercedes-Benz G63 with us, and I just wanted to show you some of the functions of this car that you would really like to know. So here we have the key, and here is two of the most important buttons that you need to know is unlock and lock it back. So the way you get into the car is, it doesn't have a keyless entry, but you just press the button on the door and you just open it. Here I wanted to show you guys some of the functions of the interior that you would need to know. Some of driving settings, the radio volume, some of the temperature settings, and of course your dashboard, and some of the controls on the steering wheel. Okay, so the way you turn the car on, just make sure you apply on the brake and press the engine start-stop button. There we go. So here we have our menu button, and here we have our home settings. You can also control it through here. So here we have our vehicle. You can manage your screen with the touch button or with the round button over here. So here we have media, radio. So here we have our controls of dynamic select is your driving mode. On the right we have volume control, and this is your touch screen, the way you control all the settings on your screen. As well, you can also do it with the round button over here. Here we have our climate control, which this is the temperature buttons. This is our air direction, wherever you want it to be on you, in your feet, or up into the windshield. Here's the auto button if you want it to be all automatic. Here is all the air into the windshield. Back to menu, and the same thing on the right side if you want to control it on the right. So here we have our navigation button, radio button, media, telephone, and your vehicle. So here's how it's gonna look on your dashboard whenever you press on navigation, radio, media. You can connect your Bluetooth, telephone, and your vehicle settings. So here I wanted to show you some of the functions of the steering wheel that's necessary while you're driving. For example, on the right, here's your volume controls, as well as if you're having incoming call, you can answer the phone call by just pressing this button up, hang up by pressing it down, as well as you can control your dashboard with this button. You can see it on the dashboard, back menu, and home button. On the left side, you have your cruise control buttons, set, reset, cancel, as well as you can control your dashboard on the front with this touch screen. So this is how it's gonna look like on your dashboard whenever you change the settings. So here we have our window controls as well as side mirrors adjustment. Windows are very simple. Press down, it's gonna open. Press up, it's gonna close. Windows are over here. Press left and you control it with this button. Up, down, right, left. Same thing on the right. And if you want to close them up, you press the middle button. Okay, so over here we have our light settings. Right now it's set on auto. If you want to just have your lights on all the time, just make sure you just put it here. But whenever you shut the car off, you always have to put it on auto just so your battery doesn't die from the lights being on. Here you have the adjustment of the light of your dashboard. If you don't want it too bright or too dark, you can adjust it here. As well, here you can turn off your parking sensors if the car is beeping, or if you're parking and you don't like it, you can always tap on it and it's going to shut off. And you can always shut off the lane keeping assist, but just make sure you press on it and keep holding it and it's gonna turn off. So the way you open up the trunk is also manual, so you just press on the button and you open it. There you go.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!